Lassie, lie near me. Lang heavy parted been, Lassie, my dearie, new year met again, Lassie, lie near me, near me, near me, Lassie, lie near me. Long hast thou lien thy lane, Lassie, lie near me. Ah, that day endur'd, Lassie, my dearie, here in thy arms is cur'd, Lassie, lie near me, near me, near me, Lassie, lie near me. Long hast thou lien thy lane, Lassie, lie near me. Long hast thou lien thy lane thy lone, lane alone. So, what have we here? Variant of the tune I sang you. The tune is called Laddie, Lie Near Me. It was published in William McGibbon's collection of Scots tunes in 1768. Burns submitted this to his publisher, the Scots Musical Museum, where it was published in 1790. We have his submission list in the law manuscript, and it says there, Mr. Burns's old words, which is how he generally referred to traditional pieces which he had revised, filled out. Now, these old words didn't necessarily go with this tune. They may have, they may not have. Anyway, there's been kind of a red herring that's confused people with this song. And I think I can give this some clarity. Burns wrote to his second publisher in 1793. Editors generally quote this when they're talking about this song. Laddie, lie near me, must lie by me for some time. I do not know the air until I am complete master of a tune in my own singing. Such as it is, I can never compose for it. So he's saying he didn't know the tune. So did he write this one? Did he work on it? Well, Henley and Henderson said in 1896, but to vamp existing words was a very different matter from writing new ones. They think he at least amended and condensed an original. There's no prior version of the lyric in print. Grab my reading glasses here. The thing is that he wrote in 1795, April, he wrote to George Thompson, his second publisher, and Burns said, that he was busy with the air, and then he sent him a lyric. 'Twas na her bonny blue ee was my ruin. And the following year, he wrote and said, it's a lousy song, please don't publish it, which was correct. It's such an inane lyric, I'd never actually tried to sing it. But this week, because I'm working with this song, I thought I'll sing through that other one. And by golly, it makes a very rough, awkward match to that tune. Especially the third line, the third line of the melody, which is near me, that part. 'Twas the dear smile when naebody did mind us. That's not Burns. But though fell fortune should fate us to sever, this was written to a different tune, a different version of Laddie Lie Near Me, which was probably sent to him by George Thompson. So that's a complete red herring, and this should take a proud place in the Burns canon. This song, surely those lines. All that I hae endured, here in thy arms is cured. Henley and Henderson did publish this from Broadside, The Loving Shepherdess, or Lady Lie Near Me, to the tune of Lady Lie Near Me, or The Green Garter in the Pepys collection. That goes like this. All in the month of May, when all things blossom, as in my bed I lay, sleep it grew loathsome. Up I rose and did walk over yon mountains, through dales, over rocks, over fountains. I heard a voice to say, Sweetheart, come cheer me, thou hast been long away, lady lie near me. Now, on YouTube is a wonderful musician named Rob McKillop, and he does Lady Lie Near Me from the Weems manuscript of 1643. And boy, does that second tune ever, those second set of lyrics goes with that tune. Perfect. It's an easy fit. So, bit of detective work there. Please like if you enjoyed, share, please subscribe. I've got a playlist called Songs of Robert Burns. I've been working on a Burns songbook 10 years now. And as I learn each song to put it up, I learn more about each song. So it's a slow process, but there will be a book. And really this channel will serve as a companion to the book. Because a lot of the best singers of this kind of material don't read notes, so they need to hear them. That's it.